Hi guys, I'm back with some fun Christmas crafts. Today we're going to create this Preciosa seed bead Christmas inspired bracelet. I'm going to be using the transparent Illision cord and we're going to need about 60 centimeters of this. I mean, it's probably a little bit too much, but it's always better to have more than less. Otherwise you can't finish off your project when you're halfway through it. So we're going to start off with a gold plated jump ring in 4mm. I'm going to thread that through on one side and just pull it all the way down to the bottom. Next I'm going to secure it with a seed bead. I'm using light topaz silver lined in the size 6. I'm just going to crisscross the threads through the bead just like so. Pull it all the way down to the bottom to secure the jump ring into place. Now I'm going to thread 2 more beads on either side of the threads. So as you can see here, I'm threading them through on either end, pulling it all the way down to create the beginning of our bracelet. Now we're going to start creating the flowers. To create the flowers, I'm going to use a light red seed bead and crisscross the thread through the bead like so, and then pull it all the way down to the end. Now grab both ends and we're going to thread 2 more beads on either side of the thread. Got 1, 2 on that side, 1, 2 on this side. Now grab both ends and we're going to thread a light topaz through both of the ends like so. Pull it all the way down to the bottom and it should look something like this. Now grab one of the ends and we're going to thread it through both of those seed beads starting from the bottom. So thread it through the bottom and up onto that top one. Make sure you're not getting the gold one in, just the 2 reds. Pull that through and repeat on the other side. Through the bottom, through the top of that other red one. And when you pull it, it'll look something like this. Now to finish off the flower, you're going to thread 1 more red bead and crisscross it like so. Pull it all the way down to the bottom and you will see that it creates a flower. How cute is that? Now what you're going to do is repeat this method. What I am going to do is create a gap where I've got 2 seed beads before the next flower starts. You don't have to do this, but I quite like the design of it. It breaks up the colours. So I'm threading 2 light topaz on either side, letting them drop all the way down to the bottom so you can see what that looks like. And now I'm going to start creating the next flower. The next flower is going to be in the green, so it's the same method. I'm going to start off by crisscrossing a green bead all the way down to the bottom, and then add 2 green beads on either end. That's 2 on one end and 2 on the other. Now bring the 2 ends together and we're going to thread a light topaz through the both of them. And it looks something like this. Pull that all the way down to the bottom, grab one of the ends, thread it through the bottom of the 2 and up into the second one. Repeat on the other side. Make sure you're getting both of those green beads in. Give it a little pull and then finish it off with 1 more green bead and crisscross the threads like that. Pull it all the way down and you have your second flower. Now I'm going to repeat these steps until I get the length that I desire. Now that I have the length that I want, I'm going to finish the bracelet off using a bolt ring clasp and another jump ring. Both are gold plated and they can be found on our website at bluestreakcrystals.com. I'm going to open up the jump ring using some pliers. Loop the bolt ring through the jump ring and make sure you close that off securely. Once that's secure, I'm going to thread the illusion cord through the jump ring. I'm just going to secure that with a couple of knots. Once I've done the knots, I usually thread any excess back into the seed beads, tie a couple more knots, and then I cut off the rest, any remaining thread. That way you know it's extra secure. When you're wearing it, it's not going to fall apart. I really hope you enjoy watching this video. Don't forget to give us a like and subscribe to our channel to keep up to date with all the amazing projects we have coming up for Christmas and the New Year. Everything that we've used in today's project can be found in the description box below. We hope you have an amazing time creating this project and we look forward to seeing you next time.